Hey guys, Angela here, and today I'm going to show you guys my chocolate chip cookie recipe. And I know there's a million and one recipes that claim their chocolate chip cookies are the best. I think mine are pretty damn good. I mean, they're a mixture of big, thick, chewy, soft, fluffy cookies, and I think this is my go-to recipe. This is a recipe I've been making for a very long time. And I'm really excited to share this recipe to you guys finally. I don't know, I really like making this cookie recipe because it's not only easy, I know it on the top of my head, but it just cheers me up. I've been having some rough mental health issues lately, and I always go back to baking. Baking is my tried and true therapy, I guess you could say. And I'm also on, I don't want to say weight loss, I'm gonna say fitness journey right now. There is a goal that I want to reach. I'm trying to reach it, and what better way than making chocolate chip cookies? So let's get it, let's go, let's get our cookie on, because I'm gonna share to you the best freaking cookie recipe ever. When you're making your cookies, the ingredients in every recipe you'll notice are pretty much the same. Butter, sugars, flours, chocolate chip, eggs, flavoring. That's really what it is. But it's all about the ratio of what to what you're adding, which makes a huge, monumental difference in your cookie quality. And I know a lot of people preach on room temperature. Not today, folks. We're actually using cold butter with room temperature eggs. The reason why we want to do cold butter is kind of the same idea as making a pie crust, and why you need cold butter for a pie crust is so that as the cookie bakes, the butter is still cold in the dough. It releases a lot of that extra moisture from the initial shock of the heat. It's gonna help rise the cookies up, making it nice and fluffy and chewy and gooey. Trust me on this. This is science, and I've done the math for you. Here are all the ingredients you're gonna need for your chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna be using, yes, cold butter. We have some room temperature eggs. We have a 50-50 mixture of all-purpose flour, cake flour. I have some baking soda and some salt in here as well. We have two types of chocolate chips here. We have dark chocolate and milk chocolate. We have a half cup of sugar and 1 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, and of course some vanilla. So it's a pretty standard cookie recipe. Now we have the base of the cookie recipe ready. We're gonna add our flour, and I like to slowly integrate the flour using good old rice paddle. If you haven't been following me for a while, you know the rice paddle is my favorite mixing device. I don't know, something about the shape, the grip, that you just get right in there really works. Watch. I know it's tempting, but you have to let them cool for like 15 minutes. That's how you know they're good. We're gonna transfer these to a cooling rack so they continue cooling. It's very important. The whole purpose of a cooling rack is that it gets a full cooling area so the bottoms don't get soggy. But, oh my God, they look delicious. Ow, cookie down. I was transferring it to the cooling rack and it's okay. This will be the one that I'll eat and taste test for you guys. So, like I said, let them keep cooling. Let them keep cooling. Look at that. It is soft, fluffy, gooey. I was really having a bad day. The serotonin from this dark and milk chocolate, and how texturally perfect this cookie is. You guys got to get on this recipe. I'm telling you, I've tried all the recipes out there. I tried every chocolate chip cookie recipe imaginable. This is the one. I'm telling you, I'm not trying to toot my own horn here, guys. This is the one. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this video. If you love indulging yourself in cookies when you're sad, like me. Gosh, I got sugar on my leg. Or, well, just me. Catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.